Hit it. Let's see. 89A. Best road in Arizona, supposedly. Well, one of them. Whoa, we got second gear switchbacks coming up here. I also noticed I'm the only rider out today. It's mid-February. We're high elevation. Whoa, those are sweet. Hold up. Whoa, we got slow ones. 15-mile-an-hour turns. Spaghetti snakes. Keep it in second. Use the focus. Whoa! Need to get my mind right. We're going the downhill. Dude, I gotta hit the brakes for a second. Whoa! Don't judge me. First time riding it. Whoa, this road is gnarly. Some crazy elevation changes. Nose is running. Holy F balls. This road's nuts. What the hell? Keep it in second. Don't get brave. Don't be too brave. It'll be more fun on the hill climb. I never like a downhill. It just takes you deeper. Whoa! Hold on to your butts. Wow, these roads are nuts. Obviously, I'm not the best rider in the world. Don't judge me on this one instance. This road nuts. It's caught me by surprise. Whoa, second gears. Keep it in second. Now I see what they're talking about. Whoa, windy as fuck too. Look at these turns. Make me go down to fucking second. Whoa, I've broken it. I broke turn. Don't judge me. I'm gonna fast forward through this. Whoa, use the road. These are tight. 89A, no joke. Yikes, look at this. Different cabbage we got ourselves into here. 15 mile an hour. You're gonna make me go down to first. I might get some drone shots around here. See, I don't like these super tight turns. They're no fun. You're going like 10 miles an hour. Nowhere to... no flow state. Oh, this one would have been nice though. Except for that Cybertruck. Which sucks. I got boogies running in my mouth right now. Oh god. A lot of bogeys. Apparently the British call boogies bogeys. I didn't know this. We are in Coconino National Forest. What an interesting place. Surprise. Open up the map, you idiot. Coconino. I tell you, these national forests are all hidden gems. Ooh, like that. They're better than the national parks. So you can fly drones. They're not as overly crowded. Oh damn! Look at the view up here. Hold up. Whoa. Whoa! 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 This is nuts. Coconino. This road is gnarly. 89A, baby. Let's go. Dude, me likey. Me likey a rot. 89A. See, I like this part. Earlier, it was like those tight first gear turns. I was like, what the fuck? It's nice and warm down here too. This is the let me shift down. We can hear the bike. It's nice and warm in these canyons. Whoa, a little babbling brook. Smokey the Bear. Whoa, slow it down now. Let's see. This is a sighting lap. We are sighting. Oh, yep. I approve. I approve, baby boy. Dude, this road's sick. It's worth it. This road makes riding those 3 hours I did today in the freezing cold weather and the super windy and dusty. Oh, this guy works here. Let's see. No, does he not? No, it's a construction guy. Thought he was the police. Thought he was the fuzz. Thought he was the fuzzy man. Oh, you got more twisties coming up. See if there's police presence around here. There might be, hiding, lurking. I can smell them like a fish. Look at the twisties coming up there. Coconino National Forest. You are a pip. Hose wash. Holes wash. I'll show you a hole. On these nuts. Sorry. Coffee house. That's nice. 9 miles to Sedona. South of Flagstaff. This is the way to do it. That's what I'm talking about. This is a good day. It's a Tuesday, baby. Tuesdays. Hashtag Tuesdays. This is what I want to do every Tuesday. Like I said, I'm going to run it back later with no commentary, just exhaust sound. So I'll put a link to that one. Once again, you can check it out. You don't got to hear me. Whoa, nice babbling brook on the right. If you do want to hear me, then I love you. Coconino. Cappuccino. Oh man, we got rock formations. Slow it down a bit. This is gonna be fun on the hill climb later. Oh, look at that! Watch for ice. Good sign. It's funny because I'm the only rider out here because it's pretty freaking cold. Now, I don't think anyone else is dumb enough. But that's fine. Whoa, slow it down. We're in town. The 5-0. The 50. They're hiding out in these trees. Whoa, good view around the corner. Dude, 89A. This is not... They weren't lying. They were not lying. They were not lying. Whoa, we got twisties coming up. My favorite. Looks like chicanes. Third gears. Oh my god. That's it. Hit it. Coconino, my boy. Oh, we got some twisties. Watch for... Whoa! What the hell? Look at that view. Whoa! Watch for rocks. Better not be any in the road. Oh my goodness. Look at that view. I feel like I'm in freaking Yosemite. No, not Yosemite. What's that other one called? Zion. Dude. This road's awesome. Oh, Oak Creek. Are we in it? Oak Creek. Whoa, I'm having a good time. They're having a traffic time. Slide Rock State Park. Konnichiwa. Oh, yes! I am loving life right now. I'm living La Vida Loca. Oh, I love this part. Earlier it sucked. It was too windy. This is what I like. If I could ride this life for the rest of my life, just stay on this road, I would. I'd rather do this than anything else in the world. Oh, now we're in the tight foresty stuff. Look at this. Wait for it. Coconino for it. Oh, that was the fuzz. I had to slow it down. Tone it down for your boy. Oh, we got some nice ones coming up here. Let's see. Oh, the vibrations. The vibranium. Find the line. Ride it, Texas Walker. Texas Ranger. Walker, Texas Ranger. Ah! Oh, every time I see a car, I assume they're the fuzz, so I tone it down. Just want to rip it and rock it. That's fine. It's a tight one coming up. Get that knee out a little bit. Get the knee out. Rolling. Rolling thunder. Whoa, we're going for it. Where's it end? Woo, baby. Coconino. Dude, this is beautiful. Lush road. Where we're going, we don't need roads. That guy needs one. Oh man, look at this view on the other side. Oh, we can slow it down. We got Oak Creek. Oak Creek, my boys. Oak Creek. Indian jewelry. Wonder what that is. Do I need some? This is a beautiful road. Thank you. Thank you, 89A. 89 Alpha. Just south of Flagstaff, heading to Sedona. I recommend it. I highly recommend it. Got nice little stops along the way, cafes, hikes. I don't do hiking. I look at the mountains. I don't walk up them. I ride up them, and that's about as close as I get to it. Prefer to save my energy being on the bike rather than wasting it walking 1 mile an hour up a hill. Giant hill, that, if you will. Giant hill, if you will. Dang, we got some great mountains. Look at that thing. What the fuck? Yo! Hold up. When we get to Sedona, I gotta bust the drone out. What is that thing? I need to get a picture. Grasshopper Point. Whoa! Red rocks! Yay! Whoa, that's freaking crazy. That's nuts! Whoa! Almost at Sedona. Sedona! And then we flip back around and we'll do the uphill climb. Get lost in the south. What the hell is this thing? Is that a shrimp? No, I don't know what that is. What type of animal is that? That would be a... What? Whoa, nice city. Place is the shit. Old town vibes. Free parking. Sedona Harley Davidsons. Go. It's a nice city. You can buy some rocks. Oh, we got another one of these gods of Olympus. Let's see. It's a cool spot. Cool spot. Cool city. Sedona. I thought it was gonna be like a big city. This is even better. I'm not much of a foodie, nor am I a hiker. I'm just a guy who likes to ride a bike. Is there something wrong with that?